Welcome everyone, my name is Michael Colley with Selah Translate, and here we have the main macOS application. Again, just to remind you, Selah Translate is a real-time translation platform designed to integrate directly to production environments. So whether you're supporting a church service or a corporate conference or a large-scale event, Selah Translate is there to deliver live spoken translation to a multilingual audience without the traditional translation means. As you can see here, it's pretty much laid out exactly the same as what we demoed before, which was the web app, but you can unlock so many more features with the macOS application. You can see we still have the timeline view as well as the from and to language. Today we're going to be choosing English, but you can still choose that same list of 30 plus languages that we have available, as well as the to language, again, same 30 plus language combinations that you can choose from. We still have a variety of voices on the software application as well, male and female voices to choose from, and they do adapt to the dialect of what is being spoken. What the benefit of the macOS application is that you can choose a different output than what is selected in the system settings. So as you can see, same as well as on the web app, you can choose your input, but here specifically, we can choose a separate output than what is from what is using on the system. So what this will enable is Selah Translate can run in the background while you use that computer to do a multitude of tasks, whether it's run a presentation screen or do a variety of needs in your service. We have the echo cancellation function as well as the profanity feature. Has much more features here, which we'll go over shortly, as well as your quota view and your view counter for your QR code display, which we'll go over shortly. I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Translation, and when we do that, you can see it'll connect to our servers. It'll process for a little bit. It will immediately start. And if I had the audio on, you'll be able to hear as it outputs the output audio to the output. And it will just literally continue going as I'm speaking. As I speak faster, the outputted audio or the text to speech will go faster as I speak, just to keep up with the main passage. If I click on here on my name, I'll be brought to my account settings, and you'll see my translation time as it uploads live to the server, and as well as upgrading my plan if I need any more additional time. With the enterprise plan, I have 80 hours. With the professional plan right now, as of today's date of recording, 40 hours, and the basic plan as of today's date, 20 hours. You can see the additional settings here: audio settings, again, noise cancellation or noise reduction, and echo cancellation, as well as an input gain setting. So if you have a live source and you want to increase it or reduce it based off of that. There are more features coming, as well as panning options, RMTP streaming, but those are coming in later additional updates. You have some of your translation settings. So now you have the profanity filter, but what you can't do on the website is you can add custom filters as well to your needs if there are specific words you don't want being spoken as well, or any other profanities in different languages. You have your virtual display, which we'll go over shortly, as well as your network server and your system settings as well to check for updates or reset the microphone permissions. Next, click on here is one of the main differentiating factors of Selah Translate on the computer versus on the web. Once we click here, you'll be able to take into the virtual display editor, and it does exactly what you think it does. So as I move this around on the screen, we can actually enable a virtual overlay. It's off my screen right now since we're recording, but depending on whichever screen that you want, we'll put it on this one, and you can see it will live update as the speaker is speaking. So let's say you have Selah Translate running on a display computer that's projecting to projector. You wanted that live captioning of the event. You can put it as a lower third, and you can do different options like increase the font size, auto scale the text. If you don't want it to auto scale, you can center and adjust it. You can also adjust colors, text colors, and put it in preset positions as well. But that is what enables live captioning in events as well. So that's one of the most powerful features of Selah Translate, the virtual display editor. Next, what we have is the QR code display and QR code server as well to share. What this will do will enable your live audience on their phone to scan a QR code. And if they're on the same network as Selah Translate, they'll be able to view the live translation in a web view. You'll be able to see the active viewers as well as copy and paste this QR code and share it with any event organizers, or even if you open a portal, soon we'll be able to have it so that it will be able to be broadcast to any member of any audience, whether they're at home watching through a live stream or they're in the audience maybe connected to a cellular network. But that is Selah Translate on the OS. We highly recommend using Selah Translate with macOS. This is the best way to unlock all the features and all the feature sets that Selah Translate comes with. Again, we really hope that you enjoy. We really hope that Selah Translate is providing value to your service or your corporate conference or your live scale event. And we will be iteratively improving on features, and there are more features to come. See you soon. Until next time, you'll be hearing about it.